May we have everybody here, please?
And one.
The inter-parliamentary games that will be held in Mombasa from the 16th to the 18th of December. Right on Speaker, on behalf of the Parliamentary Sports Club, we want to inform you that for the last 4 months, the different teams have been training. And just like we told you last year in this very same place at the same time, that we were not going for the games as participants. We are going for these games as winners.
I want to thank you and the Deputy Speaker for supporting sports in the country. Why do I say this? The functions you are about to do it here is what I do almost every day. And this comes with the direct support Parliament has given to the sports subsector. No wonder the trophies coming in from various parts of the country are all a commitment of the Parliament supporting sports development in the country.
Colleagues, my duty is very simple, to invite the Right Honourable Speaker to address us. Right Honourable.
Uganda, the Minister of Sports, the members of Parliament, the staff of Parliament, the security personnel of Parliament, the Fourth Estate, and all the athletes. Good morning. Uganda, first I want to thank the President of the Republic of Uganda for believing in Parliament of Uganda having sports. Because all the funding that we are having is out of the President of the Republic of Uganda, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. We want to thank him so much. And we also want to thank him for encouraging the deepening, the widening and tightening of the East African community. Those are the 4 founders of the East African community, which we shall not disappoint. And as you go to Mombasa, as you travel, all we wish is journey masses, and we wish you to bring back our trophies back home. And the most important thing as you go to Mombasa is discipline. Uganda is known for being a very disciplined country. I want you to maintain the discipline. I want you to maintain the discipline, and we shall be proud of you as our Ugandans. But if you're not going to be disciplined, we shall say we don't know them. So as we flag you off, discipline is paramount. That's number 1. Number 2, you must bring all the trophies back home. And you must bring them back in a good way. Don't go and fight. Don't go and fight. We are brothers and sisters in the community.
And one.